In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Bitbucket. We'll walk through the standard sign-in flow and show a quick example using Google so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your browser and go to bitbucket.org. Bitbucket is part of the Atlassian family, so you'll be signing in with your Atlassian account. When the page loads, look to the top right and click Sign In. This takes you to the Atlassian login screen that Bitbucket uses for authentication. Next, enter the email address associated with your Bitbucket or Atlassian account. This is typically the email you used when you created your account or the one your company assigned to you. If your organization uses single sign-on, entering your work email may redirect you to your company's login page automatically. That's expected, just continue there with your usual company credentials. After typing your email, click Continue. Depending on how your account is set up, you might be prompted for a password or you may see other options. If you've set up a passkey, you can choose the passkey option instead. Passkeys let you sign in using a device-based method, like your computer's built-in security or a hardware key. This is a great option if you've already enrolled a passkey on this account and you're using a supported device and browser. You can also continue with an identity provider. Bitbucket supports Google, Microsoft, Apple, and Slack. Choose the provider that your Atlassian account is linked to. If you aren't sure which one you used originally, think back to how you first created the account. Using the same method avoids account duplication and sign-in errors. For this demo, let's sign in with Google. Click Continue with Google, and you'll see a Google window. Select your Google account from the list, or add it if it isn't shown. Make sure it's the same email tied to your Bitbucket work or personal access. If prompted, complete any verification like a password or two-step prompt. When that's done, you'll be redirected back to Bitbucket, typically to your dashboard or the last page you visited. If you run into trouble, check a few quick things. Confirm you're using the correct email and sign-in method your account was created with. If a window doesn't appear for Google or another provider, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. And if your company uses single sign-on, you may need to complete the login on your organization's page before you return to Bitbucket. That's all there is to it. Go to bitbucket.org, click Sign In, enter your email, and continue with the method that matches your account, in our example, Google, and select the correct account. You'll be inside Bitbucket in moments and ready to work.